And when we say there are a lot of people, that is a gift, correct? But sometimes, with the gathering of people, which is a gift, sometimes we see challenges. Tama? We're praying for something, it is a blessing, and then when it comes, we see the burden. Tama? It's just like when we gather, when there is an organization, when there are teams, when there are circles, may mga barkada, meron kang binubuo, and then suddenly, conflicts come. Yes? You're praying for that to happen, but then, with the blessing are burdens. Yes? Every time you gather people, there will be conflicts. Everybody say conflict. Bakit? Magkakaiba tayo eh. Magkakaiba ng pinanggagalingan. Magkakaiba ng tingin sa mga bagay-bagay. Magkakaiba ng itsura. Magkakaiba ng amoy. Tama? Magkakaiba ng personalidad. Magkakaiba ng preferences. Magkakaiba ng style. And that's why conflicts happen. But Jesus is inviting us to pursue